Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this guide, we'll be addressing a common computer issue where an application freezes and becomes non-functional. This can hinder your productivity and cause frustration. Don't worry, we've got you covered with some simple solutions to fix it. Let's dive in. First, we begin with opening your task manager. This is quite simple. Simultaneously, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys on your keyboard. A new task manager window will pop up on your screen. In that, look for any software with a not responding tag displayed next to its name. Once you find it, click on it and then press End Task. You will find that right at the bottom of the window. Sometimes software might freeze momentarily due to system resource spikes or background tasks. After closing the unresponsive software, wait for about a minute. In some cases, the software might regain responsiveness after a short delay. Secondly, let's move on to System Resource Check. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape again to bring up the Task Manager window. Here, observe the CPU, RAM, and disk usage tabs closely. High usage might indicate an underlying issue you need to address. Next, it's time to remove the unresponsive software. Go to your Windows search bar and type in Apps and Features. Here you can see all the software installed on your computer. Scroll through until you find the unresponsive software. Click on it and select Uninstall. To reinstall the software, visit the official website of the software and download the latest version and then reinstall it. This fresh installation can resolve any corruption that may have caused the unresponsiveness. And there you have it. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.